All right, we're rolling.
Filthy anyway. Excuse me, there's your tail. You're fine. I know, it's no fun. I know it's no fun, but just be glad it's the new version and not the old version. It's only a minute, not 3. You're okay, little boy. You're okay. That can't be right.
What's it saying?
96.4 cannot be right. You're not that far gone, bud. You're already higher. Okay. I just wasn't in high enough. It's like 96.5, but you're not dead. You're not.
Yeah.
Okay. 108 sounds better. It's a little elevated, but he's also a little stressed. You know. 105.8 I'm willing to accept. You know. Come here, bud. Your lung sounds are good, bud. Clear as a bell. You're gurgling away. Lung sounds are gut sounds are good, boy. Where's your other side? You're still gurgling away.
Show the knock it off.
Your buddy will be here in a minute.
Her intervention is kind of becoming anonymous.
Uh-huh.
What's up? Okay.
Your pulse is good. Pulse is nice and regular 80.
You alright? Yeah, he's got some
And a little dehydrated.
I don't know if it might be parasitic or not.
A little dehydrated.
Oh no. But she's doing a part of her online class. Since we gotta do vitals on him, he's gonna go ahead and do the video of her doing the vitals. Go to
You're just
ORL.
slightly dehydrated, but other than that, he seems fine.
Are we good with this?
Yeah, we're good with that.
How do you, just the red button?
Yep.
Yeah.